What are you doing?
I'm fixing.
What?
I'm fixing.
Fixing what?
Balloons
For
for birthday me.
your birthday?
Yes.
Okay, show mommy how to make a balloon. Go. You hold it properly para hindi magsingaw.
Ayaw mo masayo.
Let me help you.
Let me help me.
Go. Wow! Very good, Daryl. Very good. Baka magputok, ha? Oh. Wow, show me. Oh my gosh! Oh, stop it! Stop! Stop! Remove! Galing ni Daryl eh! You hold it. Hold it sa ilalim. Galing ni Daryl. Show me your balloon! Ay! You say bye!
Bye.